Welcome to CAD class, ladies and gents. I'm going to show you how to do an isometric drawing. Alright, this one is going to be the final result. This one is called bookend. It's number 9 on the paper that you should have. Alright, isometrics is just giving perspective from 2D drawings. I'm just going to shift that one over, start from scratch. And I'm going to start with the base. The base front to back, and on a 30-degree angle is 4.5. The width going this way is 6. It is 0.75 thick. Bring that down. Bring that down. Connect. Connect. Bring the back here over 6. Close it in. So that's the very bottom. I'm going to do the upright back section. That is 0.75 thick. So I'll start here. The height, it goes up 5.25. 6 over. Bring it down. And I'm going to cheat the system a little bit. I'm going to copy it over 0.75 to get the thickness. Connect my corners. Connect the base here. That one I can delete. And that one, because I won't be able to see it anymore. And then I'll trim that edge back. Alright, so I have the very basic bottom, basic upright. I'm going to do the fillets, or the half circle cutouts, quarter circle cutouts, I mean. Alright, I can't do a regular circle, that's going to look weird. I have to use an isocircle for isometric. So I make my isocircle. I want to make sure I'm on the right plane, which I am already, but if I hit F5, left plane, don't want it there. Top plane, nope. Right plane. Alright, now the radius is 1.25. I'm going to trim the circle. So it's there. Add the lines going back for thickness. And then I'll copy that line back. Delete the corner. Trim the corner back. So I have that one. Isocircle on the other side. You can't just copy it over because it's going to be a different part of the isocircle and it's not the same the whole way around. Let me get out of that. Isocircle, same size, 1.25. Trim. Add my corners. 0.75. I'll take that, copy, bring it back. Delete there. Trim that back. Trim that. So I'll just see that little bit of this far one. Half circle rises up above. Isocircle. Use my midpoint. The radius, it tells me, is 1. So I trim here and here. Take my corners back. The other one I'm not going to see, so I'm not even going to bother bringing that back. Copy. Back. Now, to connect these across, quadrant to quadrant, I'm going to trim that stuff out of the way. So my fancy back, I have my base. Now all I need to add is the support, the brace, the angle. Now it doesn't give me exact size, curves. It kind of gives me a grid to kind of estimate where it is. So you're going to have some freedom with this part. I'm going to do the squared off sections of it first because those will be the easy pieces. Alright, it is centered left to right over the 6-inch wide section. So if that's my midpoint, I'm going to come over half of the thickness of the upright. It's 3/4, so I'm going to go 3/8. Then I'm going to come out, the distance on bottom is 3.25, and the distance up is 5.25. 0.75 thick, 0.75 thick, and they both come up 3/4 of an inch to 0.75, 0.75, connect, 0.75, 0.75. Alright, so I have the basics of the brace, the rib, whatever you want to call it. Now to do it, I'm going to get a little freestyle here. I'm going to use an arc. I'm just going to do the normal one, the default one, so a 3-point. Alright, I'm going to click the top, I'm going to click the bottom, and then I'm going to move my cursor till I get something that looks similar to the paper. Alright, it's going to be slightly different. There's not an exact number to punch in. So once I have that, then I'm going to use trim the extra of that curved back. It's going to be the same on the far side, so I copy it over. Then I'll use trim to get rid of the line I won't see anymore. Delete. There we go. So that's the basic layout of it. I'll dimension it for you. So again, just have practice with that. Just remembering that you want to align all your dimensions. It should be 6. That should align here to the center. 0.75. 0.75. Same distance out. Got my 2. .25. Over. Alright, let me align them. I'm going to take all of these vertically, oblique, and take that over, oblique, coming out, both of these down, over, pull that out, and this distance to alright, got that. Thickness, height. Alright, that's pretty much everything. Let me look over at my other one. I'll dimension this height too, and the distance out. Alright. Now, if my memory serves, I should have everything. The only one I might not have on the other one is this dimension here, but then I probably labeled it centered up. So let's compare. 0.75. Nope. Got it all. Just forgot the thickness on this one. But that's the finished one. Then you can print it out and you're all good to go on this one.